This is a chickpea salad recipe, really easy to make, and one of the things I like about it is it reminds me of one of my favorite meals, tuna salad. Makes a great spread or just eat alone.
So here we have 2 tablespoons of chives, a teaspoon of kelp powder, teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, and 2 pinches of cayenne pepper. 2 cans of garbanzos, chickpeas, a half a cup of onion, red onion, a can of corn. Then we have a half of a lemon, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, and 2 tomatoes. And then we have 2 avocados.
So the first thing we do is mash some of the chickpeas, and then we add all of our ingredients into one bowl. And now we mix it all together. And if your bowl is too small, simply get a bigger one. And there you have it, delicious and nutritious and satisfying chickpea salad.